Hi, I'm professional wildlife photographer Brett Forsyth, and I'm glad you could join me for this video on how to photograph bumblebees. We're going to be talking about how to use your mobile device to capture images of bumblebees for identification. Specifically, I'm going to run you through the pros and cons and when to use three specific techniques. Those techniques are autofocus, manual focus, and images captured from video. When we photograph bumblebees, we're specifically looking for three images. One is the back view or dorsal image. One is from the side or the lateral view. And then we also are looking to try to capture the face of the bumblebee. By capturing these three views of the bumblebee, it's easier to identify them to species. They all provide slightly different information to scientists about what type of bumblebee you photographed. After we talk about techniques for photographing bees, I'm also going to show you how to upload those images to iNaturalist. iNaturalist is this great naturalist community where people will identify those bumblebees for you, and that data can be used by scientists to study bees over time.